Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get a report showing which cryptos you purchased in Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a report showing which crypto you purchased with Coinbase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have an accountant or a bookkeeper, and with the new IRS rules, oftentimes your accountant is going to ask you if you bought any crypto in a particular tax year. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get a report showing which cryptos you bought throughout the year, what you're going to do is click on your initial here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Manage Account in blue. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options here on the left, and you want to click on Taxes. Once you click on Taxes, you want to click on Activity here on this top menu. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the tax year. So for example, I'll choose 2021. Next, over here on the right, you want any activity, and then click on Buy. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different cryptos and the amount of crypto that you purchased throughout that year. So you can just scroll down and see all of the buy transactions. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to see which cryptos you bought in Coinbase throughout a particular tax year, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.